So it's our fourth vlog. Third vlog. Happy Easter. It's our third vlog. So we'll be doing a photo shoot indoor again. But this time, it will be only for 5 minutes. So it's a bit of a challenge. We have a little space right here. It's our living room studio. So good luck to us and comment below if you have some comments. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. So our first idea is just to do a couple of poses to free up the tension. So our next idea is to use the jewelry on the model's hand as a prop so that we can get a very nice look, I think. Is using this as a gobo on Queenie's face so that we can get a very nice shadow with this pattern. So Queenie will change, so we have a couple of minutes more. I think we can do another one idea. So the next idea that I have in mind is with this flower vase. So we're going to use the flowers, these artificial flowers, onto the head so that we can get a very summer vibe, spring look. So let's try it. So we only have a couple of minutes to do that. Down to the last minute, and the last idea that I have is using our window as a prop. So here we go. So that was it. That is our 5-minute photo photo challenge in a small room. If you have some comments, please do comment below, and if you like this video, please like it. Follow us, Win Queenie, on Instagram. The link is right below for our pages. And if you want to subscribe, please do subscribe, because next week we will be releasing my portrait tips. It's actually 10 tips on how to take portraits, so that will be a very exciting video. And I hope you like this. Bye-bye. This is Photo Challenger.
Subscribe!